today. Welcome back to our channel. I'm still your girl Kamsi in Kamsi Kitchen. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Do you know why? It's because of you watching my video, liking it and commenting. I feel so encouraged, more strength upon strength. I really appreciate you. God bless you. If this is the first time viewing our channel, you're highly welcome. Have you subscribed? If you have not, hit the subscription button below and subscribe, like, share and comment. So today's video, I want to cook okra soup, my best soup. Whenever my mom cooks okra soup, I don't mind taking swallow in the morning and afternoon because I love it. So join me to the kitchen. Since my sister likes okra the same as I do, she decided to make it with me. Say hello.
Hello! Welcome to Kamsi's Kitchen.
So the ingredients for this okra soup recipe are okra, vegetable known as okra, tomato, meat, mushroom, crayfish, red oil, onion, salt to taste, fresh fish, dry fish, red bell pepper, and seasoning. First, we have to wash our hands before cooking. First, I start by cooking the meat. I'll add onion, salt to taste, and seasoning. Please give me one seasoning. Thank you. Cook it until it is soft. We'll add a little water. While the meat is on heat, I have to grind the pepper, the tomato, the crayfish, and small of the okra. Add small water if you want. Now blend it. Then the onion. Allow it for about 1 minute before you add the onion brown combination. Yeah, it is ready. So let's add our onion. And then the brown combination. Stir it and allow it for 2 minutes. At this point, add the fresh fish one after the other. Now stir. Allow it for 3 minutes. Now it's time to add the mushroom, okra, and the meat together. And add the okra. Allow it for 2 minutes. Now add the vegetable and salt to taste. Add salt to taste. Allow it to simmer for some minutes. Yes, the okra soup is ready. Yummy, yummy. You see, it is very easy to prepare at home. You can enjoy it with eba, salmon, or pounded yam. I know you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.